At least 13 dead as heavy rains trigger flooding, mud flows and freeway closures across Southern California. At least 13 people were killed Tuesday when a rainstorm sent mud and debris coursing through Montecito neighborhoods and left rescue crews to scramble through clogged roadways and down trees to search for victims. The deluge that washed over Santa Barbara County early Tuesday was devastating for a community that was ravaged by the Thomas Fire only a few weeks earlier. In just a matter of minutes, pounding rain overwhelmed the south face